Hey everyone, marriage is often seen as a second chance at happiness for many divorcees. But before you say I do again, it is important to pause, reflect, and ensure that you are truly ready to walk down that aisle for a second time. If you've been burned once, it's better to learn your lessons now than to repeat them later. Today, let's discuss the top 5 things divorcees should consider before deciding to marry again. First things first, reflect on why your first marriage ended. Was it communication breakdown, financial issues, infidelity, or simply growing apart? It's critical to identify the root cause of the failure, not to dwell on the past, but to learn from it. Seek closure and consider counseling if you haven't already. Some divorcees unknowingly carry unresolved issues into their next relationship. Remember, the Singapore courts under the Women's Charter emphasize the need for amicable resolutions, especially if children are involved. Carrying over hostility or unresolved emotional baggage can harm your future marriage. Before marrying again, take a close look at your legal and financial standing. If you are paying or receiving maintenance, aka alimony, how will remarriage impact the maintenance? Under the Women's Charter, maintenance may cease if the receiving party remarries. Also, evaluate your assets and liabilities. Many divorcees overlook the importance of updating their wills, CPF nominations, and insurance policies post-divorce. If you or your future spouse have children from previous marriages, blending families is no small task. How will your new partner fit into your existing family dynamics? Will your children accept a new step-parent or vice versa? Custody issues under Singapore law can be complicated, so it is essential to have clear discussions about co-parenting and responsibilities. The goal is to avoid conflicts that could arise from different parenting styles or unresolved issues with your ex-spouse. Take an honest look at yourself. Are you emotionally ready to commit again? Divorce often leaves emotional scars, and rushing into a new marriage without fully healing can lead to problems. Trust is another key factor. If infidelity or betrayal played a role in your divorce, you might carry lingering trust issues into your next relationship. These feelings need to be addressed early, perhaps through counseling, so that they don't sabotage your new marriage. Finally, while it may feel unromantic, consider drafting a prenuptial agreement. Prenups can protect both parties by clearly defining financial expectations and responsibilities in case of another divorce. In Singapore, the courts do take into account prenuptial agreements when deciding on asset division and maintenance. For divorcees with significant assets or children from previous marriages, a prenuptial agreement can offer peace of mind. So there you have it, 5 things divorcees should consider before tying the knot again. Marriage can be a beautiful journey, but like any journey, it requires careful planning and preparation, especially if it's not your first. By understanding the past, securing your future, and building a foundation of trust and communication, you can give yourself the best chance at a happy, fulfilling second marriage. Thanks for tuning in today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.